Welcome to this informative and easy-to-understand video on the systematic trading approach using range bars. In this video, we'll explore how range bars can revolutionize your trading strategy and how they are the only way to trade effectively. Part 1. Range bars, the ultimate tool for trading. What are range bars? Range bars measure precise price movements, point by point, in an exact and structured way. Unlike time-based bars, range bars create a clear and structured chart setup based solely on price movements. By eliminating noise and focusing on systematic price movements, range bars offer a better understanding of raw price action, which is the only thing that truly matters when it comes to effective trading and money management. Advantages of range bars include being price-based and only focusing on raw price movement. Unlike time-based bars that are random and unrelated to market movement, since they're filled with bias and vary in size. As you can see, some are small and some are big. By using range bars, we can enter and exit trades in a structured and organized manner. Range bars have proven to be the most accurate method for trading, especially when tested against 50 years of market data. Our team has over 15+ years experience and 20,000 real-time hours spent in the markets testing live. In that period of time, we've tried every type of strategy, method, market indicator, trading formula, algorithmic trading bot, chart setup, and everything in between that you can possibly imagine. And we discovered that range bars are the simplest and most effective trading chart setup. Range bars are a system we use for order entries and exits in trading. Unlike time-based bars, which can be random and of varying sizes, range bars measure the exact price movement based on specific market points. This creates an accurate pattern-based chart setup, making it easier to understand raw price action based on what truly matters, the price itself. Time is a man-made variable, and its randomness means it has no correlation to market movement. Hence, time-based bars do not reflect actual price movement and can be influenced by news, human variables, and biased ideas, like impulsive trading. The only factor that truly matters in trading is the price. By organizing the chart using range bars, we eliminate noise and can focus on entering and exiting based on systematic price movement. After extensive testing, we found range bars to be the most accurate method for entering and exiting trades in a structured, organized way, which is essential for running a successful trading business.